I'm gonna look. See this? It opens.
Oh.
Let's see if it. Right here. One. Open. We open one. Come. This one might not open, but let's go see. Yep, it opened. Makes a satisfying pop sound when you open it. This one, let's
No,
try
you don't have to
open
force the flower open, Tom.
Huh? It's
That's kind of you forcing it open. It's
No,
not ready.
It's small force.
I know it's small force, but the flower not ready to open yet.
No, it's okay. I think it's open. Oh, they're right here.
Because you like the noise, right? You like the pop sound.
Yep. And also it opens flowers.
You like the pop sound, the open flower.
Yep. This one's a fully grown one, as you can see.
Yeah. I think that's the only flower left for winter time, Tom. Because usually cold weather.
It's similar like this.
Similar like that.
Ooh, pepper.
Có chừng ớt á, đụng như là cay á.
Oh, there's pepper right there. Let's go look at some more plants. Pepper. Orange pepper growing. Tomato.
Tomato có trái hả Tom? Còn trái hả? Vậy hả? Còn trái orange hay gì Tom mà orange hả?
Yep, orange
Bữa nay trời lạnh bây giờ không có để ghế trước tiệm trong sân.
Flamingo.
Cái tomato được không? Hái luôn đi. Hái tomato luôn đi.
Hey.
Hello sir, how are you?
I see him chasing that ball. Take care, Miss Nina.
Take care there, good to see you.
Alright.
Also, there's more flowers here. You thought this was the only flower?
Oh, you were right, correct Tom. Yeah.
Should I harvest this tomato?
Okay. Yep.
I harvest a tomato.
Chúc mọi người ăn lành vui vẻ.
Bye.
Viết